Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Vantage with your morning market stir for Wednesday, July 17th. Well, all good things must come to an end, for bulls anyways. 8-day streak to the upside was broken yesterday. Markets closed down just a little bit. We had the immediate S&P off 6 points at 1671. The high yesterday was 1679.5, which was also the high from Friday. So when we couldn't push through and get back up to that 1680 all-time high, we saw a little bit of profit taking. The low yesterday was 1666.5, so we're still within a pretty tight range. The markets were off about 0.25% across the board. The Dow futures ended up being down 25 points, 15,391, and the Nasdaq finished at 3070 and 3/4, down 2 points. The movement was in the dollar index. The dollar finished at 82.64, down 56. That pushed the euro currency up 93 points, 131.63. Bonds continued their gradual climb here after extreme lows in the last couple weeks. We're up 12 points yesterday, 134.31. New relative highs at 135.08. Keep an eye on bonds. The worst might be over in that bond market slide. Looking at crude, crude was down 32 cents, 107.18 was a high. Again, just short of the highs from last week and the 15-month highs at 107.45. So we've seen a lot of these markets not able to extend these gains yesterday anyways. Now gold also was higher, up 7 points, 12.90. The high in the session yesterday was 12.95. Last week's highs, 12.97. So just coming up short and holding back a little bit. So after the mixed action yesterday, where do the markets stand on this Wednesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're mixed there as well. We're at 1670, down 1 point in the immediate S&P. We're down 17 in the Dow futures, 15,374, but we're up 1 in the Nasdaq at 3,072. The dollar steady, up 782.70. The dollar index right now has a midpoint support at 82.50, which is the halfway level of the action in the last 3 months. So we'll look to see if it can push below that support level. If it does, obviously that pushes the euro currency up. The euro currency right now is at 131.50, so it's holding strong above the 130 level, and right now we're down 13. Looking at the bonds right now are at 134.23, off a little bit. The yield on the 30-year Treasury has softened to 3.6%, and just for conversation, the yield on the 10-year notes at 2.55% as well. Crude oil is down a little bit, 105.70 right now as we stand, down 39, and we've got gold off $5 at 12.85. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. We're mixed after approaching all-time highs yesterday and backing off. We're down 1 point in the mini S&P at 1670 and down 17 in the Dow futures at 15,374. I will see you early Thursday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.